learning, we read A to Z capital letters with sounds. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay students, now read the vocabulary with the flashcards. A says a ant. A says a ant. B says bird. B says bird. C says cat. C says cat. D says the dates. D says the dates. Okay students, this is my quiz English classwork book. Okay, open it. Take out the page number 1. Page number 1. Read the letters and enjoy the sentences. Read with me. A. An alligator. An alligator plays with an apple. B. Bananas. B. Bananas. The bear eats bananas from a basket. C. Camel. The cat and the camel pull the cart. D. The dog. D. The desk. The dog barks at the duck under the desk.
Put the date.
Okay students, read it again. Add to the with vocabulary and with this the sentences. Okay students, now take your pencil and mention the date here. Today is 8. Now take your English homework book. Open your book. Take out page number 1. Start from A to D. Your writing page. Look at the animals and write the beginning letters. Capital, also small. First we write here capital like this and then a small letter. And write here what are you doing. This is your table of contents. This is date. Mention today is 8 June. Page number 1. As we have page number 1. Topic A to D. We are doing classwork and homework also both of here. So tick here and sign here your parents. Okay. 8 June 2020 and today is Monday. Okay students, now look at the picture. This is an alligator. This is an alligator. The beginning sound of alligator is A. The capital letter of A is A. We write capital letter in upper 3 lines. Now start writing from third one line. Like this. A. Now write the sound of A is A. A. A is capital letter. A हमारा capital letter होता है और जो इसका sound होता है वो A होता है. A says alligator. A says alligator. Look at the picture. This is bear. This is bear. The beginning sound of bear is B. Beginning sound of bear is B. And the capital letter of B is B. Now start writing. Write here B. Now write here small letter B. B says bear. B says bear. Look at the picture. This is cat. The beginning sound of cat is K. And the capital letter of K is C. Now start the writing of C. We have 3 lines. Don't start from here. We start little bit down. Bring it up and make a round. Touch the line and up. C. This is C. Now write the sound of C is K. K. Look over here. Don't touch with the line. Little bit down. C says cat. C says cat. Look at this picture. What is this? This is a dog. This is a dog. The beginning sound of dog is D. The beginning sound of dog is D. And the capital letter of D is D. Now start the writing of D. Now write the sound. D says the dog. D says the dog. Now read with me. A says a alligator. A says a alligator. B says bear. B says bear. C says का cat. C says का cat. D says the dog. D says the dog. Start your writing work in homework book. Open your page number 1. Take your pencil and trace A. A says A. Student, trace it with the right formation. Okay, after that trace it 2 times. We have writing in 2 lines. Again, okay. A, an alligator. Now what's come after A? B. Right here capital B, then the sound of B is B. B. B says bear. B says bear. Okay, again read it. A, B, C. What's come after B? C. Don't start from the first line, little bit down, then write C. Like this. When you write the capital letter, you write small letter. C says K. C says K. C says ka cat. C says ka cat. Again read with me. A, B, B, C, K. Okay students, now tell me what's come after C. What's come after C? D. The capital letter of D. First write we capital letter. Complete. Now write the sound. D says D. This is D. D says the dog. D says the dog. Okay, first we write here 1 time, then you have to write here 2 times. Like this. B, write here B and B here also. C, capital one here and small one here. Okay, capital D, D. Okay, when you complete it, you can also color it. Alligator, bear, cat, dog. You can also read it. Repeat it. Alligator, bear, cat, dog.